Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Crumpets made in the pie maker using sourdough discard. Can't get flour at the moment, can't even get yeast at the moment. So if you've started making your own sourdough starter and you have to discard half of it on a daily basis, this is a good recipe for it. We're just going to sift into our sourdough starter, so just some plain flour with some bicarb soda and some baking powder. Our pie maker is on. We're going to brush it with melted butter and we're going to cook it with the lid open so that the bubbles don't settle on top to start with and not break like a crumpet. You can turn them over with a little spatula, something that's non-stick. Okay, now just mix this all in. We're going to put it in with a ice cream scoop. Okay, pie maker's hot now. You can see this is a bit gloopy and bubbly. Butter this right up and scoop some of our batter into our pie maker. As the bubbles rise to the top, you can break them with a skewer. And then when you're ready, you can just turn them around. Okay, we've just flipped those over to get a bit of colour on the other side, and we are going to pour a little bit of apple cider vinegar in, just to give it a little bit more lift and a crispy base that will react with the sodas that you put in there, and also thin it down a little bit because it's a little bit thick. Okay, we're just going to tip these over now and just brown them on the other side. Close the lid and they'll cook all the way through. If your bubbles need a bit of encouragement to break, just get them out of the pie maker and drop them onto your bench. You see that? A little bubble will break. Okay, we're just going to tip these guys over and just brown them on the other side now. They're nice and light, got some nice bubbles on the top of them. Found the biggest crumpets that you're likely to make, but they do smell authentic. They taste delicious. Just make more of them. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's pie maker sourdough starter discard crumpets. Thanks for watching.